Shaka's crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today just to share a little simple thing you can do for packaging Happy Mail or swap mail or whatever. I'm just adding a top, a simple top to a sticker pack that I am gifting someone in a swap. And this is the sticker pack. It's already attached for like a waterfall feature. And I just got a scrap piece of paper. I got this paper from Maggie Home's Willow Lane. And I cut it down to have a ½ inch about, or a ¼ inch, I'm sorry, on each side, like this. And it's gonna be short, because like I said, I'm using a scrap paper, so I'm gonna try to cover this with trim. So first I'm gonna just adhere this down for my base, and then I will add some stuff and get on it. Do I want to use glue or do I want to use tape? I want to use tape and glue. The glue for more security, the tape so it doesn't shift around now. And I'm just putting the tape there, but being kind of generous with the glue. Don't forget to cover your glitter art, because that bugger will dry up pretty quickly. So then I just lay it in, you know, hopefully leaving the same amount of space on each side, and then folding that over and firmly applying pressure to ensure adhesion. So the back, I'm not going to worry about the back because it's the back, but the front, I do want to, you know, cover this thingy here. Are you guys too far? My battery's going to die, so good thing it's just a simple one I'm doing. So let's just zoom in a little. So trim here. I don't know, I just grabbed a whole bunch of different stuff to try to use. I think this is too big, yeah? Yeah, we don't want that. This is, doesn't cover the whole thing up. This might not work either. How cute is this pom-pom trim? Oh, there's a back and a front. Love it. Okay, well, let's get it right here. And this will cover it up, but I think I want to do more than one layer, and I'm gonna have to hot glue that. So I need to get my hot glue gun on. Let me just start trimming them down to the needed size. Hopefully I have a scissors here that works well. So this is a good chopping point in between those two, and that should fit perfectly across the bottom. Yep, with the glue gun too, it'll hold it good. So then I can just stagger the next one. That's what I'm gonna do, stagger the next one. And the next, I might just put only 2 rows. 2 rows looks like enough. I don't know what I'm gonna put up here yet. Okay, let me look for something. I'll be back. Okay, so I did adhere the trim like I said. And then I just added a little more cutouts, and then I snuck my Mickey head in. If you don't know, I'm a Disney nerd. Try to put Disney everywhere because, you know, it just brings magic. Anyway, hope you guys are having a crafty day. This is my share, just a little, you know, just add a little something and it's good to go. So again, I just added this topper to a sticker back that I had bought from Michael's, and it's just being included in my swap. So until the next video, Hope you guys like and subscribe. And stay crafty. Shakas!